Hey, what are we doing today?
Fishing.
Is it our first time fishing in 2022?
Yep.
Yeah? It's a good thing we're all by ourselves over here, and he doesn't even have a hook on his fishing pole yet. For those that are wondering where we are up just past Fort Clinton near Marblehead, Ohio. Over here, that land that you see over there, that is Kelly's Island. If you look way over here, that is Fort Clinton. Very monument.
I can see the lighthouse.
That's the monument. So let's see how many fish we catch today. Yes. Seem good to me. See your bobber way out there? So are we good fishing people? No. Hey, if you have tips on how to fish in Lake Erie from, pier, the side of the lake, leave a comment down below. We're new to this. We're trying to figure this out, and we are going to document that as we go throughout the summer on the tips and tricks that we learned. But anything that you guys have, share it with us. That way we can get better, right? We have fun?
Yes.
How many fish did we catch?
0.
No fish. Whose fault is that? Is it because you took it too easy, or you didn't bring your game face every day?
You took us to the wrong one. We should have gone to the lighthouse.
Yeah, lighthouse would have given us a view of Cedar Point, but we wanted to try this out. It is the first nice sunny day, really all year, right? It's over 80 degrees. Was it fun to get out and enjoy some sun?
Yes.
Yeah.
Finally.
And we're shorts. So that is going to do it for us. This was a short video, just fun, getting out fishing, enjoying the weather. A couple weeks away from Cedar Point opening. That should be a lot of fun. Yep. And with that, you can help us beat those YouTube algorithms.
Please like and subscribe. And leave a comment down below.
And with that, we're all clear
And out of here. Woo!